Enthralled, viewing audio. I'm at Hollywood Plaza in Diamond Hill because it was only $45 as opposed to $70, and I got a feeling I'm still going to get ripped off. I'll be honest, I haven't heard good things about this movie. I'm going to try and be objective, but let's face it, that ain't going to happen. Oh, it's also the senior citizen screening, so I'm sure there's going to be a chronic commentary track. Lovely. A jump scare into quoting John Milton. Wow, so edgy. And there's the director's cameo, still during the opening credits. Wow, hope you're proud of yourself. The director's cameo is ADR'd. Oh, this is ridiculous. Everything's being delivered with such a didactic sledgehammer. They should use this movie for demolition. And right after the title card, we get June of 1989. Lovely. DVD creator on the video from 1989. Ain't happening. Chip Sao is as good at making movies as Wong Jing would be at politics. Actually, I think Wong Jing would be a better politician. It would be more entertaining. And the haircut didn't change the way she looks in any way possible. The drunk lady, the mother, is actually pretty good. Oh my god, when that kid walked in on Kelvin and the woman in the bathtub, that was awesome. Gee, the girl from the mainland is actually a hooker. How surprising. Nice stereotype, ass. Lymphoma doesn't give you Alzheimer's, asshole. Jump cut from the kid kissing Calvin to somebody chopping up a duck. That's disgusting. Why do they have all the goddamn lights on in the hotel room while they're having sex? And why does he keep making that blank stare? The mayor of Hong Kong, you don't even have the balls to say chief executive? Ass. First the mother, then the son. Ew. Oh god, not the fucking monkeys. I hate these motherfuckers. These two people could not have been so goddamn stupid to not know that was a man when they laid eyes on him. So you kept a Full Metal Jacket's bathroom scene. Good for you. And it would be nice if you knew enough about gay people to know that cross-dressing and homosexuality are two different things, you fuckstick. And they're not the same as transsexuals either, you fucking idiot. Why would you give him a gun? Unless, of course, he's going to use it later. Gee, I'll be so surprised. It's a mishmash of half-baked stereotypes and other tropes that are clumsily handled. It's just a mess. This movie is unrelenting garbage. The actors do the best they can, but Victor Frankenstein couldn't bring these characters to life the way they're written. The foreshadowing in this movie is pitch black, and the green screen sucks balls. It was funny listening to the old people get creeped out with the gay kissing and shit. It's fucking splendid listening to all the old people talk through the emotional climax of the movie. I love living here, I really do. Oh my god, Linda's death scene is the worst thing ever. Of course it freeze frames on the child's face. I believe the children's our future. And then the first thing we see is ladies' lingerie sponsored by Bonlux. You fucking whore.